Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position where white pawns are going forward in this direction and black pawns are going downward in this direction. As always, it's white to play and win. But don't think this is an easy win. It's a trick puzzle and I will show you why this is a trick puzzle. So as always guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, you may think pushing this pawn and promote, right? This is going to be easy if black just chase the pawn, right? If black chase the pawn, you just promote into a queen and you are going to just gobble all of these pawns. Because of these 3 pawns are doubled, it is going to be very easy for you to just capture all of them and win the game. But in this position, after you push the pawn to h6, black would just push its own pawn, b5. And after you push your pawn to h7, black would just play king to a4. What does king to a4 do? Well, in this position, if you just push the pawn and promote to a queen, this is going to be a big blunder because black would just play a5 and you have absolutely no way to make black moves on the next move, right? You can make any move, but you can't make black to move on the next move, and none of black's piece can move, which means this is going to be stalemate draw. So you are going to draw the game. So it doesn't matter what piece you promote your pawn. You can promote to a rook, but the same thing would happen. Black would seal itself and black can't make a move which result in stalemate draw. But however, there is only a single way to win this, right? It is to promote to a knight. So in this position, if the king moves to, the pawn moves to a5, it's going to be stalemate again. But now you can play knight to g6, giving a move to black, right? So black has no moves in this position except to take the g6 knight, right? So in this position, you push, they push, and now you don't promote to a queen, right? It's a blunder once again, because now in this position they freely push their pawn and no one can stop this pawn. Well, technically you can stop this pawn, but it's going to be stalemate, right? So you can't do anything. You may just give your queen, but black will just gladly take that and black is the one winning now, and this is going to be just a draw once again. So in this position you have to be careful and promote not a queen to a knight, right? So now they push. What do you play if you'd like to pause again? Yeah, this is going to be very easy. Knight to a5, e6 and knight to c5 is going to be just checkmate, right? So this is how you are going to win the game. So this is the solution, and if you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you next time.